In this video, you'll learn how to create a new item on Blixo. There are two ways to do this. The first way is to create in the Items section, and the second way is to create directly from these sections: quotes, invoices, credit notes, and subscriptions. Let's get started. First of all, I will demonstrate how to create a new item by going through these sections: quotes, invoices, credit notes, and subscriptions. Let's start with the Quotes section. Click on the Quotes section, and then click on the Add Quote button to go to the New Quote page. Scroll down to the Items field and click the Plus Item button. Click the Plus Add a New Item button to go to the New Item screen. Here, there are two required fields that you need to fill out. The first one is Name, and the second one is Amount. I will input the information in those two fields now. Click the Submit button to create a new item. Let's check it out. Success. Now, let's go through the remaining sections. Invoices, credit notes, subscriptions. Finally, I will demonstrate how to create an item in the Items section. Go to the Settings section and click on Items in the Price Settings field to go to the Items setting page. Next, click on the Add Item button to go to the Configuration page. Product Info is the place where you can input the product name, product ID, description, and website description. Let's fill it out. You can upload a product image in the Media field. Next is the Extra Info section, where you can input some additional information about the item. Let's input it. There are a total of 9 product types, including no types, product, service, hours, days, month, year, expense, and shipping. If you turn on the status toggle, this item will be activated for use, and if you turn it off, it will not be able to be used. You can input the product vendor and product tags in the Product Organization field. If you want to configure the shipping information of the physical product, click on the option checkbox and input its weight. This weight will be used to calculate shipping rates at checkout and label prices during fulfillment. Blixo supports 4 weight units: pound, ounce, kilogram, and gram. Moreover, if your product has options such as size, color, you can configure it in the Options field. There are 4 options, including size, color, material, and style. Also, you can add more options by clicking the Add Another Option button. To create, click on the Save Item button. Let's check it out. Success. Congratulations. You've successfully created a new item in just a few easy steps. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.